What's up, everybody? My name is Dan, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best categories for you to start a passive income business in on Amazon FBA, the best categories of products to sell in, and I'm going to dive into specific product examples that are not saturated and that are trending, and I'm going to share with you the monthly revenues of each so that you can potentially take one of those ideas and turn them into a profitable brand. I want to start with a little disclaimer before we get started that all categories on Amazon have fantastic products to sell, and it's not really just about a few categories where all the money's made. I'm going to obviously be choosing specific categories to kind of shout out and talk about here in this video, but there are products that are great in every single category, and it's not really just about finding a golden category, okay? Don't just limit yourself to these categories, but they're great areas, they're great points just for you to get started in finding your first profitable product. So let's kick things off with beauty. The beauty industry is absolutely massive, and in fact, my first successful product on Amazon was in beauty and personal care. The beauty category on Amazon is always growing, and there's just so much money to be made because there's so many pain points that people have that beauty products solve. So my first successful products on Amazon were actually a chain of different face rollers, right? And I had no interest in it whatsoever, but it made money, and I made sure to source the highest quality product that I could find, and it worked great, and it made a lot of money. And so that's why I really like this category, because people are always on the lookout for products that improve their beauty and that improve their, how they feel and how they look. So some product examples in this category are different types of face rollers, different types of face masks, different types of massagers, different types of beauty kits. You can even create gift sets in the beauty category. I know a lot of people that are making a lot of money just with gifting, with setting up gift sets. So you can check out all these products using Jungle Scout. You can see how much money they're making on Amazon. You can see exactly what their monthly revenues are. Jungle Scout is a tool that I've used since the beginning with my Amazon FBA business, and it shows us exactly how much money products are making. And without that data, there's no way for you to know which product is the best for you to launch. Next up is health and wellness. This is another what I call evergreen category with massive potential. An evergreen category is a category that will never die. There will always be people investing more in their well-being and in their health. The key is to find products that are rising in popularity without being overly competitive. Some examples of products here are filtration products, right? So for water, for air, gel face masks, acupressure mats and pillows, different types of sleep accessories and sleep masks, right? Compression socks, copper-infused compression socks, right? So I'm actually just pulling up a list from ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT for my product research, and it's phenomenal. Of course, I double check with Jungle Scout. You can take a look at how I do that in my product research videos here on this channel. The best way to find products, this is how I found all of my products, is by going down what I call the Amazon rabbit hole. So if you actually start with any one of these products and then you go, you scroll down on the listing and then you go to the frequently bought together and all the other sections that Amazon shows there in the algorithm, that's really where the gold mine is. So use these products as starting points. Category number 3 is home and kitchen. And this has always been a staple, and it's all about innovative products that enhance people's lives. The key here is to find something that's functional and unique and trending and not overly saturated. Some examples of potentially good products in this category are UVC sterilizing water bottles, self-cleaning water bottles. Make sure you check Amazon's regulations on that because Amazon does have restrictions on certain types of products. Smart coffee grinders with custom brewing profiles and luxury coffee accessories. High-end smart composters. Let's see what else here. Smart wine preservation systems, right? And I'm actually just pulling this again off ChatGPT. Smart sous vide precision cookers. Pet supplies is another booming category. With more people treating their pets like family, the demand for innovative and functional products is through the roof, but there are still plenty of niche opportunities. So some products here are smart pet doors, heated and cooled pet beds, pet anxiety monitoring collars, smart hydration monitors for pets, portable pet air conditioners, pet weight management trackers. There's just so many different products that you can look at in this category that you are bound to find a good product. Finally, we've got sports and outdoors, which continues to grow with more and more people really caring about their fitness. And this category has endless opportunities if you know what to look for. So you don't want to just launch a random generic sports and outdoors product. You really want to find something that's, again, high demand and low competition. Some examples of products here that I find are really cool that could be a good starting point are smart fishing rods with sensors, body mapping heated jackets, smart paddle boards, high-tech smart backpacks, right? So obviously the smart whole thing is growing, the smart gadget thing. Digital smart golf caddies, weighted jump ropes, and rechargeable hand warmers. I've been selling for Amazon for years, and the number one question that I've gotten has been, Dan, what is the best category of products to sell in? And so that's why I put together this video. Like I said at the beginning of this video, there are no specific best categories and like the rest of them are worse. No, there are products, there are good products in all the categories. These are just to be used as starting points. You want to continue your journey with smart product research so that you can create the next high profit brand. And if you're ready to actually do this, if you're ready to actually start an Amazon FBA business the right way using my high profit brand method, check out my Ecom Academy Amazon Pro course right now. We just recently launched. You can get an early access discount. So it's available to you at a super, super affordable price. It's not thousands of dollars like so many courses out there. I really made this as affordable as possible for you. And I have a rule that I would never create anything, any kind of online course that wouldn't give you at least 100 times the value of what you're paying for it. And I'm sure that once you purchase it, you're going to be like, wow, I cannot believe I paid that price for it. The link is down below. Check it out. And it comes with mentorship with myself one-on-one. So you can get all of your products checked with me and you can ask any questions that you have. Make this the year that you make your Amazon FBA freedom dream come true. Join us at Amazon Pro to get started. And I'll see you on the inside. And of course, subscribe to my channel for the best Amazon FBA videos every single week. You'll get a notification as well if you click on the bell. Thank you so much.